Across the globe, there is one stretch of earth that has been so remarkably blessed, admiringly known as Golden India. Till date, a celebrated name on the international circuit, India has acquired its share of prominence from its rich and diverse heritage, prodigious reserves, commerce ethics, and a progressive culture. Bounded on the periphery by major global commercial centers, Rajasthan still remains the heart of India. That's the spirit of Rajasthan. Royal, mystical, hospitable, unputdownable, vivacious, lively, and awesome. Encapsulating all the flavors of India, Rajasthan is a wonderful amalgamation of teeming by-lanes have given way to 8-lane expressways, and traditional architecture has been merged with contemporary forms. With its conventional approach bowing down to the burgeoning information technology trends, the influx of Western culture is fairly evident. The modern Jaipur has international brands competing with indigenous ones, and global fashion fads hogging the limelight against simple living. And with the realty boom, it has become the destination next in a global perspective. That's the essence of Rajasthan. Captured in its most pristine form by the leaders of a renaissance, the baron of the real estate industry, the ARG Group holds a remarkable position. A veteran in the field with nearly 2 illustrious decades to their credit, the ARG Group have been reinventing Rajasthan in congruence to global lifestyles. Endowed with a magnanimous legacy, they have been relentlessly striving to put not just Rajasthan, but the whole of India on the global map. With a modest initiative of a home for every soul, the ARG Group today is the most progressive name in the real estate sector. It has acquired a stellar repute for significantly contributing to structuring the contemporary skyline of the country. They have given the first high-rise to Jaipur with the Maharaja apartment, the first multiplex to Jaipur with the Times Square, and the first mall at Gwalior in MP. They are the first ISO awardees in Rajasthan realty segment and the first builders of Rajasthan to conduct business outside their hometown. They have secured a decent third rank in the grading of India's top 20 malls for their Deen Dayal City Mall in Gwalior. With so many firsts up their sleeve, it is only imperative that they have been able to create a niche that is so genuinely their own. pioneer of innovation in realty segment, the MD of the ARG Group, Mr. Atmaram Gupta says,
Hello friends, we are committed to provide the best global standards and lifestyle matching to our clients and value for their money. Their trust on us contributes towards accountability, creation and development towards the society and nation. We look for vision beyond future. Thank you.
A firm belief and practice of methodical, fair, transparent and ethical business process has begot the group an unwarranted recognition in the real estate sector for its strategic approach of delivering world-class real estate infrastructure and business facilities. The company has earned an impregnable goodwill in the coveted circles of real estate industry for delivering quality with clear and legal titles and maintaining time commitments. Furthering the logistics, the company is fortified with a dedicated team of competent, specialized and seasoned professionals excelling at their portfolios in the soothing environs of their state-of-the-art workstation. And the legend has just begun. After the immaculate success of Apollo Apartments, Mayur Complex, Pink City Tower, the Metro, a meticulously designed mall with the most privileged address in town. The Metro offers just the right mix of elements that will spell success and profitability for your enterprise. The City Mall, Kota. The sprawling, upcoming mall is this year's most happening thing in Kota. Surpassing all existing parameters of technical excellence, the City Mall is all poised to change the way Kota shops. The Corporate Park, a commercial hub with the minutest business detailing, ideal for MNCs and corporate retails. Grassfields, the crowning glory of a glorious state. With plans approved now for the world's largest developed township, Grassfields is a dream come alive, perfect in demeanor to a royal legacy. ARG Exotica, a statement of opulence with 80% landscape expanse. There remains very little to be said about the experience of owning your own little kingdom here. This global city will have all parameters at par with international measures of excellence. Once created, you can unwind here for life. That's the changing face of Jaipur. All qualified testimonials of the unputdownable flagship of the ARG Group. And the legend continues.